Hey guys, I'm back with another repair video. As you can see, today we have something different. This is a Samsung Projector. It's a portable version. The model number for this one, it's an SP-LSP3B. As you can see here. So the problem with this portable projector, it doesn't turn on at all. So yeah, let's try today to fix this portable projector. Yeah, good. So we have HDMI and USB-C port here, and for the connectivity we have this port also. To be honest with you, I don't know what it's used for, but yeah, we don't care about that. We care more about the USB-C, because from there is getting the power. I have also the original, not charging, but original power brick. Super fast charging. Okay, so it's also from Samsung, so I think this might be the original one. Alright, we can use it and test it out later if necessary. If not, let me grab my own USB-C charger with the power meter and let's have a look together what is the problem and if we can fix it. Okay, power meter, and let's plug. I don't think it has like a battery inside, although there's a portable projector. So as you can see, yeah, no power is drawn. So yeah, my USB-C power meter is not turning on. Okay. If we press the power on button, nothing happened. We have here some buttons. I think it should start, or I don't know. Okay, good. Yeah, let's see how we can take this apart. Have like kind of big screws on the side and screws here, maybe. Yeah, I have one screw here. All right, good. Yeah, let me grab, maybe I will need like a big screwdriver for these ones. Yeah, alright, let me grab my screwdriver. You know what, yeah, I just saw this on my desk, so maybe it's going to work. Of course it's going to work. There is no necessity to grab like a big screwdriver for this. I know that I have big screwdrivers, but yeah. And on the other side, yeah, the same thing. Yeah, this video can be used as a tutorial on how to disassemble this thing. Yeah, hopefully we'll fix this, because I have like a feeling that it's going to take a while. I never repair this kind of devices up until now, but yeah. Let's try. Okay, and we said that there is a screw here somewhere. Looks like a speaker inside. Tweezers. Okay, and now there is something underneath this, so we can pull this out. Okay. Okay, so here are some rubbery thingies. Okay, more screws. You see? Okay, let's see, underneath this. Okay. Okay, see? More screws. Okay, so we have 3 more screws. That's great. Yeah, let's see what is inside. I will keep the projector like this so you can see also, because if I'm holding vertically you will not see due to my hand. Alright, the last screw. Perfect. Yeah. Can we pop this off now? Yes, indeed. So something is holding the thing. Oh yeah. So there is like a. This is like a power connector or something. Because as you can see, there are some big cables, a big connector. Okay. Let's unplug this. So there is orientation for this. Yeah, there is. So that's good. We cannot mix this up. Do I have some space here? Okay. What do we do now? All right. So we have kind of like a rubbery thingy. Okay. Great. How am I going to remove this? Okay, so there is some glue here. Yeah, with the tweezer, I can hear the. All right, and around this, that is the same. Nope. Only here and here. Now, can we kind of push this? Okay, let's try this way. Great. What? Come on. Yeah, I need to force this because I'll be here for like a full night. Man, very ingenious design, huh? Quote unquote. Okay. Great. Rubbery thingy. Ooh, that's a lot of dust already. Maybe it's a fan inside. So if I brush this down a little bit. Okay. I see a screw there. Do you think... Okay. And on the other side? No. So this is like in half. Nope. So there's one screw here and another one here. In here, can you see any screw? Nope. So if I remove the speaker, yeah, let me try to keep it on in the middle of the screen. Can I remove? Oh, what do you know? There are some thread inserts here which they were completely removed, at least one of it. Yeah. How do you separate the two parts, huh? What is underneath this? Okay. So the thread inserts can fall, at least these ones. Or is broken? No, it's more like broken. Oh man, I knew it was going to be tricky to open these kind of things. PlayStations, again, very hard to open. So what is this? There's a flat ribbon cable that goes on a board. There is another flat PCB, flex PCB here, as you can see. All right. Yeah, there is a fan inside. Okay. Where is that flat ribbon cable goes? Because it's going down beneath. So what do we have here? Also, so this is the top panel. Great. With the flex board. Man, there is a lot of dust inside. And that one goes right there. Okay. I hope that I will know to put this thing back. So, where is our USB-C going? So this is the speaker part. Looks like a subwoofer. Has like a chamber. Yeah. You see a membrane here? Yeah, it's like a subwoofer. We have a fan, a big heatsink. Okay. So our USB is right here. So we need to reach that part inside. But first we need to remove a lot of screws. I want to detach this. Okay, good. Wish me luck, put this back on. So much dust. So we have this assembly here. Okay, this is like a screw here for I don't know what reason. Nope, I cannot reach inside. I think I need to disassemble from here, from the top, because we have a bunch of screws here. These are some big inductors here. So big freaking power supplies. So what? This cable is pulled out? No. Okay. This one. Okay, a bunch of connectors. This look like power. You have red and black. This as I don't know. This I don't know. Okay, so we have stacking. PCB stacking. Okay. So, can I remove this now? Hopefully I removed almost all the things. Not yet. There is one more cable there. So good. So we have a connector here. Great. Then we have what? Another logic board. Flat cable. Man, look at this. XMC. Looks like a BIOS thingy. I need another magnet. So slowly we are reaching the USB-C. Okay, this one. There's another flat ribbon. I mean, there are two of them. A flimsy one here, and there's another one here behind, which I cannot see. Okay, so it's holding in place by two screws. Okay, no problem. Now what? I think I need the spudger here, because it looks like a press fit, as I told you. Okay. I cannot spot anything blown for the moment. Wow. Good. And still, we still need to reach the USB-C port, which is deep inside. Why you create it like this? Yeah, they complicated things a lot. A lot. Yeah, this screw, I don't know what's the purpose, but I think this is the good one. This is the correct one. Okay. Good. Oh, so this is the fan. Why did they put the power board somewhere on top? To be easily reachable. So, you see, this looks like a power thingy. So if I pull this, what is going to happen? It's like a full block. But still there are a lot of cables. Okay. Wow. So I think this is the actual thing. We have like a big heatsink and the bulb is inside. And the USB-C, you see, is going down. Cool. Okay. Please remind me how I am going to put this back. So you see, this is the USB-C port, HDMI, mic on off, and it's connected via the flat cables and is going on these two boards here. Smart, smart guy, smart, very smart. What can I say? So I see here a screw already. Can I remove this? Seems like it's in my way. Wow, so much dust. Fan. This is the subwoofer. Yeah, I cannot put that connector out yet. More flat ribbon cables. Okay, out. Man. So many wires for grounding. See? And off you go. USB. I don't think there's an issue with this. Or at least we can try. As you can see, it's not powering on. Good. More screws. Okay, this board is coming out. Nope. It's coming out now. There's a big heatsink here. So the thing is held in place by what? Okay, if I pull this. Oh, okay, like that. More things. More harnesses, more wires. Shoot. This is like a puzzle, man. Wow. Great. So we reached the internals. Come on. Good. Now we can get rid of this. We don't need the speaker for the moment. So we have the USB-C right here, which goes here on this board, you see? So we need to check this out. What's going on? Yeah, let me bring my USB-C meter. We have two diodes here, but yeah, I don't think there is any voltage here, to be honest. Let me switch to ohms mode. We have some capacitors here. I'm curious if there is any short or something, at least on this board. What was that? Okay, so I think we have a short already. As you saw, as you heard, is beeping. So something is burned. I'm curious to see underneath, and then maybe we can go with a voltage injection, but first I need to kind of see what's underneath. So for sure there's a kind of connector. Yep, or maybe not. Oh yeah, there's a connector. And a big, thick thermal pad, which covers something here. There's an IC there, I see. Okay. Okay, great. Let's have a look. It's greasy. Has a little bit of kind of grease. Yeah, let me bring the microscope a little bit because I'm curious to see what kind of ICs we have there. And then maybe we can inject a little bit of voltage. Let's burn some chips. Okay, let me switch to microscope. Okay, so it's a big chip there. We have some coils. It's good. We have this. It's like a controller. All right. Good. And on the other side, whoa, highly dense populated world. Whoa, what is this? It's like a rain of components. Man, amazing. This is like a power board or what? This is like the microcontroller. So they press fit. Look at this. They press fit the. I don't know. They put a screw here. Okay, so we do have a short on this board. You know what? Let me switch back to top camera. So the thing, maybe we can isolate. Camera, go. I mean microscope. Maybe we can isolate the fault. Okay, nada. Come on, microscope, stay there. Okay. Let's check again for short. One ohm. You see? Here we have like 1 ohm resistance. Well, is that normal? Is that normal? So we have this board. Now what? Have a coil here. Looks okay. 2 more coils. This capacitor, you see? 0 ohms. Okay, now I see. I understand why it's so slow. High sample rate, high speed sample rate. I need a fast reading. 1 ohm on the other side. 1.7, and here 1 point. So on the left side we have the plus. I need to kind of maybe inject some voltage here. Maybe we'll find the fault easily. Here you have like kilo ohms resistance. Here we have only 0.6. That's not good. 0.8. You see, there's like a. So you have here plus and minus. You see, guys. So if I'm coming here, plus and minus, we have mega ohms. So yeah, this output, it's okay, but here is not okay. So I think we have a burn chip or something. If this was heating up like crazy, yeah, that might explain, you see. So on this side we have how much? 1.7 on the other side. Why is bouncing? The coil. Okay, diodes. Okay. Okay, here we have a MOSFET. Here we have mega ohms resistance. Oh, come on. These diodes here. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, let's check a little bit the board and the microscope to understand so these ones, they look like some kind of input diodes, right? Have this IC kind of protection diodes. So this is coming from the USB-C. Okay, USB-C is just perfectly normal. The pins, yeah, no problem whatsoever with the pins. Okay, flat cable, it's in place. Okay. Do you think this is going to work with only 5 volts? I doubt. I have this IC here. I don't know the purpose of this one. We have this MOSFET here. Okay. So this is like a current sensor here, you see? This is like a current sensor. We have these big capacitors here. This IC. We have this one too. Okay. Okay. What do we have here? Overload, so nothing here. So let's see. This is the ground. Yeah, so this is the ground here. So the ground can be taken from the screw hole. What do we have here? At this 12 kilo ohms resistance. And here, blurry image, blurry. That's better. Here's okay. The output, mega ohms, just fine. Okay. Okay. We have these caps here. Near to this big IC. Okay. This one. No short here. Mega ohms resistance here. So where's the problem, guys? Kilo ohms resistance. This capacitor looks cracked. But you see? I don't like the way it looks, huh? Yeah, it's cracked. But I cannot tell. Ah, you see? Look. Now. 0.6. Do you think this is the fault? Might be, huh? Yeah, let me... with my soldering iron, nope. We have our... Yeah, let me take my cable. The cable I was referring to USB cable for my hot tweezers, actually. Okay, so it's heating up. Yeah, let's remove this from here because I don't like it. It was weird from the beginning, right? I think I need to add a little bit more solder wire here. We need to melt this. Here. Okay, now we have a good quantity. Don't tell me it's welded. What? No, I cannot remove it. Really? Good. We need this. Perfect. Let me add a little bit of solder on the tips. Of the hot tweezer. I want to prevent corrosion, you know, so it's going down. Yeah, it's going down now. Okay. So we remove that cap. Yeah, let's see now. Come on, stay here, the microscope. Yeah, let's check for short. But I don't think there is any short now right here. You see, the short is gone. And if we plug this, what is going to happen? 20 volts, and it's powering on. Alright, so we solved one problem, but as you saw, there's only one cap in the circuit here. So for this one, we need to replace the capacitor here. So we need a 20 volts capacitor here. Alright. I need to pause the video and search for one. I have some spare boards here somewhere. Oh, okay, now it's heating up again. Let me switch to microscope. Microscope. So we are just right here. Okay. Yeah, I think I will use the solder iron for this. This is more for removing components quickly. Okay, so now it's going down. Perfect. Let me turn on my soldering station. Okay. Okay guys, I will be right back with my capacitor. Okay guys, so I found the spare motherboard. So I think here I will find my capacitor, and I think I already found one. Coil. So these capacitor, these big ones. Yeah, look at these ones here, near the CPU. These ones. Yeah, let me pull up the microscope. You see these ones? Yeah, these are the winners. These are my winners. Yeah, let's try to use again the hot tweezers. course, we need to add a lot of leaded solder to melt, to drop the temperature down a little bit. I need more than 200, I need 300. Okay, it's heating up to 200, I need more. Now it's cooling down. I need like a I need like a little bit of time to read the user manual for this. Come on, go up. Alright, now it's going to do 300 finally. 250. I need that 300. Yep, microscope again. Yeah, the tip is a little bit bigger because I'm grabbing, as you can see, two caps. And the ground, yeah, it's sucking all the heat. Really? I cannot remove this cap from here? Why? No, I can simply not remove it. The hot tweezer is not powered enough. I was not expecting that, to be honest. I removed that chip, but here this is the ground plane. So yeah, this is a big difference. Okay, let me yeah, so I just turn on my soldering station. This tip is too small for this job. Let me put this somewhere where I will not burn myself. I think it's pretty fine there. And I need like something big. Great. Okay, good. Let's switch back to microscope. Where is our beloved capacitor? Right here. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so you see, with this one, I can remove it. I have a lot of heat here. Yeah, you will ask me why I'm not using the hot air. My little girl is sleeping. Oh, no, I don't want to make noise. Okay, capacitor, I mean, the motherboard is out. Yep. My little girl is sleeping. Okay. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. We'll test it out. Good. Okay, let me switch my soldering station right now, because for sure I will forget. I will forget it on. Okay, let me clean it a little bit. And I think our job is done. Now the hard part, at least for me guys, is going to be to put everything back. Because I didn't pay real attention on how the things are and where they are going. I just wanted to reach this board. If you ask me, this board should be somewhere on top, easy accessible. Okay, good. Because if we forget something unplugged and we assemble, then good luck going back. It's a max power IC, you see, like in the Nintendos and other PlayStations. Or okay, so a shorted cap. Luckily it was visible, huh? Alright, so I will just leave it as is. I will not clean it even more. It's more than enough. Okay. My microscope is coming towards me. Okay, let's check again. If it's everything going well, and then we start the reassembly. 20 volts. Okay, so it's not short anymore, and the meter is coming on. Okay, guys, I think this is fixed. The only thing that remains is to put everything back. Now, how it was. Oh, brother. So yeah, we had this IC here, and that cap was left out. You see, the faulty capacitor was left out of the thermal pad. Good. And then we have this. Now, guys, this might be a good tutorial how to put back this thing, or maybe not. Because who knows if I will be able to reassemble back. We'll give it the client bits and pieces, what do you think? So we repair it, and then it's up to him to put the thing back. Just joking, just laughing. Was not this board, because I don't have clearance. But no, it was this one, because this one has the sticky thingy. And I have the connector, you see? The connector must be plugged in here. Okay, good. So we made ourselves a sandwich. Good. And now that comes somewhere on top. Shoot. Okay. Now what? I supposed to take some pictures, you know, but I didn't. So I think I will stop the video and to watch a little bit how I mount this. I mean, I dismount this. Nope. Should have like a connector or something. So you see, this one comes like this, and this one goes down. Yeah, I need to connect this here. Okay, and now I have this that goes like this. Okay, you see, something like that. The Freestyle FB1 Revision 1 2022. Freestyler. Bomb funk MCs or what? I remember this one. It was this one. See? And it was how? Nope, it was the other way around. It was like that. Yep, it was just like that. And we had the two screws there, which, by the way, I don't know which were the ones. We are just randomly pick. But I might need to have, I think I have another one. So I have this one, and I should have another one. I should have two magnets. So I have this one here, and the second one. Where is my second magnet? Bum 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 bum. Come on. I used to have two of them, right? Where is the second one? Where is the second one, guys? It was hidden right here, in plain sight. Cool stuff, guys, cool stuff. Yeah, all the screws are almost the same, so it's going to work just fine. Okay, that's good. So we have this now, and should be placed like this, right? Right. You see? Everything, guys, is coming together. No worries. No worries. Okay. Nope. This is not a good screw. Yep. This is the good one. Okay. Nope. I don't need to tie this up yet. What puzzle to solve now? It was kind of easy to, to disassemble, but good luck to put everything back. Okay, so that one is done. This part with the USB-C was indeed, you're right, here. So the location of this was like that. And I need to plug what something. Okay, so we have this connector. I have this connector here, and it's unplugged. Shoot. This was the fan, I think, and this one it was going up. But I have, okay, I still have this. I don't remember about this one. Cool stuff. So it's coming from there. And this one should go like this. Yep. Like that. And this one was right on the top. Indeed, this one is right on the top. Like that. Yep, perfect. Good. Yeah, let me plug this cable here. Come on, come on. Okay, I think it's in place. I don't know the function of this Wi-Fi, or who knows. Bluetooth. Great. So that one is connected, that one is connected. Let's try to put this back. And this one is coming from the top. Okay. So it was like sliding in. This flat cable is bothering me. So the thing is just clicked back. That's good. So now we have like a bunch of we need to route this towards the top, and then we have this one here. So I will try my best not to use to pause and to go back on the video to see how it is assembled. I just need to check my visual memory. This is like a test. Good. This one goes maybe from to the top. Okay. Here we have the switch for the mic. So for the mic it was how? It was like this. Okay. But first, let's fit the thingy. And then we just need to place it. Come on, say. Something like that, right? Yes or nay? Okay. I need these kind of screws here. So I have two of them, and I did one more of this. So I think I will need one of those. Yep. To keep the ground, to go with the ground up. Okay. And from the bottom I need to come here, I think. Yep, something like that. Okay, so this will go inside here. So to transfer the ground in between, I mean, anyway, the ground should be connected through those cables, but this is like an extra layer of grounding. And here we have what? Remember, we had normal screws or the other ones? Okay, so we have these ones. Okay. Rubber thingies. Those are for the speakers. Okay. Now I think we may need to go Wait, guys. So there is no other board, right? Right. We do have only... don't tell me I forgot the speaker. I think I need to put the speaker back. Yeah, I forgot to put the speaker. Ha ha ha. You see, right there. Exactly what I just said. If you forget something, then you need to go back. That's not nice. Yeah, there is no way for me to put the connector. If the board is installed like that. Cool stuff. So I need to remove this again. Shoot. Okay. Anyway. Let's see, guys. Yeah, we need to have access back again. But maybe it's going to be easier now. We remove only this, and then we pull this, plug the connector, and put it back. What do you say? Like that. See? You know? It's like I opened this 10,000 times. Okay, let's put this thing back. It clicked. Oh yeah, as I said. As I told you, I woke up my little girl, so I need to be very, very quiet. Okay, guys. Good. I was how? Yeah, like this. And this one needs to go like this. Okay, the speaker, good. Hey guys, I think I'm kind of forgetting about the fan. So, where it was. I cannot see any connector on this side. I see these broken plastics. It's going to vibrate. I don't have any spares, you know, so I cannot replace these. Where was the fan? I need to locate the connector right now. So the fan The fan was here and was connected somewhere in space. Who knows? Do you remember? Ba 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 ba. We have these four. Okay, it was like that, right? Yeah, because the fan needs to blow the what? It was like this. Nope. Wait. I need to go back in time with my brain to remember how it was. I cannot put this back. I'm just losing my time. Okay. This is the connector. So this is from here actually. This rubber thingy. It was like this. And then we have the fan, which was kind of blowing. Yeah, was pulling the air. So it's like this. And then like that. See? And I think my fan was right here. You see? Yeah, we are getting there, guys. We are getting there. Good. This one goes to the... Oh, wait. Wait, I'm going too fast. Of course I'm going too fast. I need the bottom, guys. No, I mean the top. So, where's the... This is the top? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we have some sensors. So I think... You see here? I have this connector. And this needs to go here. I saw the connector earlier. I was wondering if I need to connect something there. But yeah, as you can see, I need to connect the top part to this. Can I do it? Yeah, of course I can do it. Okay, like this, and then we need to pull the latch, and that's it. So this is the top, guys. Good, we have the top. Now, this should stay aside for the moment. Yeah, let me brush a little bit this and I'll be right back, because as you can see it's filthy. Okay. So now I need to pull these cables aside and pass through this thingy. right? Am I right or am I right? I hope so. I took it from here, guys, right? Yeah, it was like here. And then I don't know how I did it, but I did it. Okay, now I see a little bit the big picture. Needs to fit somehow. Yeah. I need to twist a little bit the harness, the ground harness. Oh no. Oof. This is not good. Go back. So this cable was coming from, I don't know where. Yeah, wait, I need to check. Bam. So it was like this, and it was going. It was glued in place, so needs to go somewhere there. Okay. Nice. Okay, so it seems like kind of fit it in place. Yeah. That's good. I need the screws. So for these ones, I don't remember these ones. Yeah. We'll see. Where is my other magnet? I know both are there. Okay, good. So how many screws we need here? Like 2? I have here 1, 2, 3. 3 screws and 4. So we need to have 4 screws for this part. So I will power on right after I will install this board and the fan. I will not mount everything back, because who knows, maybe there are other issues. But I'm kind of sure there are not other issues. It was only that cap. Okay, so I have this here. Look how dirty is my desk now. Looking for like a very specific screws, guys. Is the one that goes in plastics, not in in thread inserts. So you know they are very specific. Okay, beautiful. Now we need to kind of put this back in, if I can still do it. I need this. Yeah, let's bend a little bit. This bunch of cables here. So this needs to slide in like this. Bam, done. This one is plugged, beautiful. And let's go with this on top. Okay. Screws, more screws. Yes. Yes. Have this. So guys, so yeah, it's possible without taking photos or whatever. It's taking more time, but yeah, as you can see, it's doable. What's going on here? No, it's a good screw. It's a good screw. Maybe the thread lock on the screw is preventing. Yeah, we can switch the screw on with another one. This is good. Yep, you see, working just fine. So yeah, we have like a bunch of cables to plug back. Luckily they are kind of organized and they're in the same position, and I will not worry mix them up. Yeah, I will brush this fan also. I don't remember where this one is going. Shoot. Yeah, I remember. So I'm not worried. So come on, stay outside of my way. Out of my way, I mean. Okay, this one goes here. This is like a power thingy. As you can see, it was right here. And here's the fan. I will pause. Sorry guys. I need to brush this thingy. Look how it looks. Okay guys. Better, right? Yeah. It's just like a brand new. Okay, let's slide in the fan. And this one should be what's going right here. For the cable management thingy, I don't remember exactly. It was like this or like this. Yeah, maybe I will check the video further. Yeah, I didn't pay attention to this detail, sorry. And I should. I know, my bad. So here it's this the position, it's sucking out. So the way it goes from, yeah, is blowing the air upwards. It's like this. So the cold air is moving towards, is moving way up. So maybe like this. But this fan should slide in like a very specific position inside. And why? Oh, voila. And now the cable is shorter. Good. Nice, 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 nice. So we need to connect this. With maybe the ground here. Right? Am I right or am I right? I'm pretty sure it's not like this, but at least we are going up with the grounding from the bottom up. Good. Okay. Great. Now, what I will do is maybe I need to clean, oh shoot, I need to clean this a little bit. It's going to feedback. Yeah, you see these two screws. Yeah, no, it was not like that. I think this had fallen once at least, because there are a lot of plastics, broken plastics inside. So this is not normal. Okay. Should I go up there? Who knows? Yeah, I don't remember for this one to be here. But anyway. We are improving the design. So it was like that. Okay, and now there were the screws. Like this. I was holding the top plastic part. Hey, what do you know? Okay, so we have more screws here. Shoot. Have a lot of them actually. Leftover screws? It's not going to be the first one. First time, I mean. Okay, so we have the bottom part. Do you think we can test it as is? Yeah, let's give it a try. Huh? So we have around 400 milliamps. What do you know? What do you know, guys? It turned on. Okay. So oh yeah, I have a, you see, I have an image. Ah, sorry. You see, I have an image on my palm. And the fan is working. Alright. So we fix it. 1 amp. Look. Look at the power drawing here. And so we fix the thing. Okay, guys. It's doing like a weird beeping noise. I don't know what is that. Okay. Nice. Cool stuff. So it's back in business. The projector. Voila. I hope I will not burn my camera, but no. Good. Okay, guys. I will stop here for today, and I will continue with the full reassembly and such to continue to finish the full reassembly tomorrow. And yeah, talk to you tomorrow. All right. Good. Thanks for watching, and see you with the part 2 for this. Bye bye. Hey guys, welcome to the part 2 of the video. So as you see, we fixed the projector, and now all we have to do is put everything back together and finish the job, and that's pretty much it. All right. So the next step will be so I need to kind of refresh my memory a little bit what I did last time here. Okay, so now I need to connect this flat cable. So the top is like this. Okay, so I need to connect this flat ribbon cable with this part here. Okay, something like that. Let me put somewhere in the middle of the screen so we can see better. So here I have the connector. Now all we have to do is to push inside the flat ribbon cable and then pull the clip on top. Okay, that's it, done. So it was held in place by this, it was in the past, not anymore. Yeah, I have here some Captain tape, so I will just stick it in place with this. I think, yeah, let's see. Anyway, this one is not good anymore because it's not sticky enough. Okay, this is trash now. Okay, my trash is somewhere there. Okay, Oh, it's a temporary trash. Yeah, let me see a little bit. Nope. I don't want for the keyboard to be stressed, mechanically stressed too much. So in order to prevent that, something like this. Yeah, of course it's not going to be like factory anymore, but at least we prevent further damage in case someone is going to work here again. So what you have to do now is put this back, right? Right. Okay. Now we have these inserts here, and they kind of need to align or always to put the things back together is much trickier. It's like climbing a tree. It's much easier to climb a tree than to go down. I don't know if you like my analogy, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay. You know what I can do? Yeah, I need to kind of press fit this here. The thing is that I'm afraid a little bit of damaging something when I press this, especially this flat ribbon cable. Hopefully not. If I start with this one, what is going to happen? What do you think? Up. Yeah. The top came loose, as you can see. Okay. Yeah, let's try again. So it's this here. Okay. What do you know? It clicked. Almost. Do you think we are going to still align this back? I'm really afraid that we will not. Here it clicked perfectly, but what's going on here? Something is preventing. I knew it's not going to be that easy. So here it clicked just fine. Good luck now to open this back. Ba, 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 ba. So here it's okay, but here is the top. I don't know. So is the cable or what? Yeah, let me check a little bit. I think I saw the problem. Is this cable here? Can we move it? This cable for the ground. What do you think, guys? Okay, I think I found a solution. I don't think I need a magnet. Okay. So you're going to use this screw here. Okay. We change a little bit the design. Okay. Now let's tie the screw up and then kind of route the wire a little bit differently. Okie dokie. So this is okay, or oh, come on. You need to stay like this, bro. This thing needs to stay here. Oh, come on. So like this. and this one too. So at least you'll know what will be the struggle if you repair this, right? Of course. Okie dokie. This thing, it doesn't want to work. How we are going to put this back? Glue everything in place? Nah. We have that rubber thingy, the white, that is going to keep everything in place. Great, so yeah, let's try again. Okay, so yeah, okay, I'll be right back. Okay, yeah, I will just remove this trash. This top control panel, whatever, glass windows just falling. I think I may need to glue this one here. Okay, so we have it on this side, and on the other side we are almost there, right? Yeah, almost. Always almost. As I told you, I think, or maybe yes or maybe not, I will see. Because 2 screws are, I will not be able to put them back. I will see. Hey, what do you know? Okay, it clicked. Finally. Almost. And here? Yeah, we don't need this. I just might trash it or whatever. Okay, good. I see here is not properly aligned, I don't know. Yeah, but it will put a screw back, so everything is going to be just fine. Let me get a screw for this. I don't remember if I need to put the bottom cover first. So now it clicked in place. Yeah, let's check it out. So we have this. That will go like that. Pop, pop. Yeah, let me connect this port. Might be data or power, I don't know. So can I put the port back, because the cable is so short? Of course we can't. We are professional here, right? Okay, what we have to do is to put the screws back, and then I need to use a magnet for this. What is doing this one? Good. Like that. Okay. Here too. Another one. Okay. I think, yeah, I still have those plastic covers for the screws. Okay, this one, I think there was like one missing, if I remember right? Good. Perfect. Let's go on the other side. I think here we have 2 screws, yeah, if I remember. Magnet. Right here. This is going to hold in place the top here. Okay. I think something is inside, making like a noise. So here's the screw and another one here, like this. Okay. Good. Yeah. We put the screws. Let's go back, putting this rubber thingy like this. What do you think, is going to fit back or not? What do you know? I think I need to kind of properly align the holes here with the ports and everything. It's like a mesh. You see, almost properly aligned. What do you think? Okay. Yay. So we have the support. like this, like that. Okay, so just need to put it straight and then twist here. I think I used this prying tool, if I remember right. Okay, that's in place. And this screw. So, what do you think? We are going to watch a movie tonight, or? And by the way, what is your favorite movie at all times? Mine, if you ask me, would be Aliens with Sigourney Weaver. Aliens. Yeah. You know what? There's a mic inside. Okay. Good. Let's see. Still getting the power? Yes. 400. Alright. Let's try to power on. Yeah, it's powering on. I don't know if you heard that noise, but alright. So we have the screen, I mean the projection, the image, the fan, cool stuff. So two amps. Great. Okay, guys. For me, the thing is repaired. What can I say? It was very interesting. I hope you enjoyed and we learned something together. Yeah. If you found this video helpful to you, yeah, please do like, share, subscribe, and we'll see each other next time with the next electronics or laptop repair video. See you, bye.